7.7 million subscribers and videos consistently hitting millions of views. 6 million, 26 million, 4 million, 13 million, 22 million, you name it. What's their secret? They're not just showing Messi and Ronaldo kicking a ball around. Instead, they're crafting unique, engaging stories. Picture this: Messi and Ronaldo chilling with bears, working alongside laborers, or exploring a jungle. These AI-generated videos take football stars out of the stadium and into creative, unexpected scenarios. Here's a short demo I put together using the exact same process we'll be going through. This niche is absolutely trending right now, and if you jump on this train today, you could go viral and even make serious money online. So grab your phone or computer, buckle up, and let's dive into this step-by-step guide to creating viral AI videos. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button, tap the bell icon, and give this video a big thumbs up to support the channel and keep learning awesome tips like these. Now, what's the secret sauce? A complete, engaging story that hooks viewers from start to finish. The key is storytelling. A single image or random clips won't cut it. You need a complete story that captivates your audience. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it using AI tools like ChatGPT and Ideogram. Let's get started. Step 1. First, you'll need a solid idea for your video. We're going to use ChatGPT to generate unique ideas for the Messi and Ronaldo story. Here's how it works. Head to ChatGPT. You'll need to input a prompt to generate video ideas. Don't worry, I've already crafted the perfect prompt for you. You can find it in the description of this video. Simply copy it and paste it into the prompt box. In the prompt, I asked ChatGPT to generate 10 unique video prompts for Messi and Ronaldo. You can tweak this number to 20 or 30 if you want more ideas. Now hit enter to submit, and ChatGPT will deliver a list of creative ideas. For example, a meetup between Messi and Ronaldo in a cozy Paris cafe, a friendly beach football match, a thrilling safari adventure in Africa, fishing together by a serene lake. These ideas are your starting point, but we're not just grabbing images for each idea. To go viral, we need a complete, engaging story just like the top creators do. Let's pick one idea and turn it into a full narrative. For this tutorial, let's choose the safari adventure in Africa. Imagine Messi and Ronaldo exploring the wild jungles. Copy the heading, paste it into ChatGPT, and add this line. I like this one. Please divide this into 5 scenes like a complete story. You could ask for more scenes, 10 or even 20 if you want a longer video. Hit submit and ChatGPT will break your prompt into a structured story. For our safari adventure, ChatGPT might give you something like this. The journey begins. Messi and Ronaldo gear up and start their jungle expedition. The duo comes face to face with a herd of majestic elephants. A thrilling moment as they spot a lion in the wild. The pair takes a break, watching a breathtaking jungle sunset. They return to camp, sharing stories around a glowing campfire. This is a complete story arc that keeps viewers hooked from start to finish. Step 2. Now, we'll turn these scenes into visuals. To create high-quality images for each scene, we'll use Ideogram. Head to Ideogram's website and sign in with your Gmail account. Select the 1-to-1 ratio for your images and turn on the realistic option. Copy the first scene's prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Ideogram's prompt box, and hit generate. You'll get 4 stunning images tailored to your scene. Repeat this for all 5 scenes, downloading each set of images to your device. These images will form the backbone of your video, showcasing Messi and Ronaldo in vivid, realistic jungle settings. Step 3. Now, let's transform these images into engaging video clips using 3 awesome free AI tools. You can use all 3 to speed up the process or pick the one that gives you the best results. First, head to Pixver's AI and create an account with your Google account. Click the Image to Video button, upload your first image from your phone's gallery, and add a simple prompt like natural movement and slow camera zoom. Hit Create, and FixerLabs will convert your image into a short video clip with smooth motion. Download the result and repeat for all your images. Second website, Hyper.ai, where their updated 2.5 model delivers fantastic results. Quick image to video, upload your image, and use the same prompt, natural movement and slow camera zoom. Quick create and download the generated video. Using multiple websites like this ensures you can work faster without waiting. The third website is Video AI. Go to Video AI's website, sign in with your Gmail, and click Try Video. Select Image to Video, upload your image, paste the same prompt, and hit Create. Download the video once it's ready. Each website offers a download button below the generated video. Grab all your clips and save them to your phone. Step 4. Adding music and sound effects. To make your video pop, you'll need copyright-free background music and sound effects that match the jungle theme. Visit FixerLabs' website and search for No Copyright Jungle Music. Browse the options, preview them, and download the track you like best. Next, search for sound effects like lion roar or elephant sound. Switch the filter from music to sound effects, preview, and download the ones that fit your scenes. Step 5. Editing. Now, let's bring it all together using a video editor like CapCut or any editor you prefer. Upload all your video clips, background music, and sound effects. Follow these steps. Drag your jungle music to the timeline as the base audio. Place your video clips in order on the timeline, matching the story's sequence, like Scene 1, Journey Begins, Scene 2, Elephants, etc. Adjust their sizes slightly to fit the frame. Place the elephant sound where the elephant scene plays, the lion roar where the lion appears, and so on. These effects make your video feel immersive and professional. Click the Transitions button and add smooth transitions between each clip to create a polished flow. Set the resolution to 2K or 4K for high quality, then click Export to download your final video to your phone. This topic is trending like crazy, and if you start creating content like this today, you could go viral and even make serious money online. But here's the key. Consistency and hard work are non-negotiable. Keep creating, keep experimenting, and keep learning. If you love this tutorial, smash that like button and share this video with your friends to spread the knowledge. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more tips for online success. This is your chance to shine. Let's make it happen.